Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is sprint backlog. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and we have taken this topic from the Agile or Scrum framework. So let's just start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start. What is sprint backlog, friend? Friends, see, sprint backlog means that first of all, this is a topic from a Scrum framework. What is Scrum? Actually, a Scrum is a methodology which we use for managing these software projects. So, sprint backlog means what is now a sprint backlog? Basically, friend, whenever we are implementing project through the Scrum framework, what we do, like we prepare a product backlog first. Product backlog means that it contains all the user stories. User story is a functional requirement which we want to develop. Like for example, if you are implementing e-commerce solution, so all the requirements of user would be mentioned in the product backlog. Like customer can do the payment through credit card, customer can browse the catalog, etc. So this is the product backlog. Product backlog means it contains all the requirements for the product. Now the other thing is sprint backlog. Sprint backlog means that whenever team is initiating a sprint is a 3 to 4 weeks time period. For example, in the product backlog there are 50 tasks which we have to do, and sprint is a 3 to 4 week time period. So what we do as a team, we take 10 tasks from the product backlog which will become as sprint backlog, which we have to complete in the 4 weeks time period. So now the see, product backlog means all the requirement. Product backlog has 50 tasks or 50 stories in the product backlog. Now you have taken 10 tasks, 10 stories from the product backlog. So now the 10 tasks which we have taken from the product backlog, it will become as sprint backlog. That means you have to deliver those 10 stories to customers. So this is called as a sprint backlog. Sprint backlog item should be taken directly from the product backlog. While the product backlog can be changed frequently at any time according to the ways always character changing realities in an organization or in the market, the sprint backlog should remain as fixed as possible. The product team should conduct regular product backlog grooming sessions to ensure the sprint planning meetings are productive and that the team is able to quickly identify the right tasks so to place. The top items on a well-groomed prioritized product backlog will often represent the upcoming sprint backlog. If the team is unable to complete complete or even begin certain sprint backlog items by the end of the sprint, the team might choose to add those unfinished jobs either to the next sprint backlog if they are still deemed high priority or to the product backlog to be addressed again in the future. Then who owns the product backlog? Normally friend, as per the Scrum framework, the entire agile team, the Scrum master, product owner and the development team members, they all are having the ownership of the sprint backlog. Here as per the Scrum framework or Scrum methodology, not only one role or not only one person is responsible or having the ownership of the sprint backlog. All the team members are having the sprint backlog. That means Scrum master, product owner, Scrum team, they all have the ownership of the sprint backlog. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.